Sage Evolution Intelligence Reporting. Creating row sets in the layout generator. Row sets allow the ability to create rules based on accounts, that is your GL account number or your GL category code. Row sets allow users to define customized rows based on rules. The row set is reusable across all layouts in the report and is centrally managed, reducing the time spent customizing and editing rows in the reports. A rule preview is available to ensure that the rules return the correct accounts or GL category codes. Once a row set has been defined, users can select to use the row set within their layout design. To look at a row set, go to Quick Edit option on the Report Designer grouping on the BI Tools tab. Open up any of the standard layouts by selecting on a layout. This is a predefined layout, so the layout options, text columns, and rows have already been defined. You can see that this is using the row set GL category codes. To see how this GL category codes row set is defined, go to the row set option. Here you can either add a new row set, edit a row set, rename any selected row sets, copy a selected row set, or delete a row set, or get help on setting up row sets. If we have a look at the GL category codes row set, select Edit to view. You can see you can provide your own description, and then you can select whether you're going to be using an account type filter or a GL category code rule. This particular row set is defined by the GL category code types, and the rule here is based on the ruling of your GL category codes. So for example, I've typed in revenue, selected the type GL category code, and simply typed in 9 as the rule. You can see as I select on 9, in the preview window at the bottom, you will see all accounts that relate to revenue. As I select on the cost of sales rule and the GL category there, you can see the preview changes. So as you can see, it's very simple to set up rules based on GL category codes. These rules can then be used through a number of layouts when you're selecting your row set option on the rows option. Once you've set up your row set, select Save. Your row set should save successfully. To see a different option of a row set set up at an account level as an example, select the account level row set and select Edit. The difference here is that I've typed in a description. Again, this is up to your description as to what you'd like to type in, and as opposed to selecting a GL category code to rule by, I've selected the account. Here you can use wildcard, mathematical functions, and ranges to define your account rules. For example, sales is defined by a 1 and 3 question marks. Same on cost of sales, starting with 2. Here other expenses has been defined by a range, and accounting fees is defined by a mathematical function. So you would go ahead and complete all your account rules to bring in all your different accounts. Again, once you've set up your account rules and your row set based on your account level, you can simply save that. In your layout design at the row level is where you define how you're going to set your layouts up. Are you going to set it up by a GL category code, or are you going to set your layout design at an account level? And this is where you can then define your row set. You can then generate this layout into Excel. This one will be defined at a GL category code. For example, if you ran and generated a layout at a account level as previously set up, you can see there's the layout generated with my specific account rules. To have a look at an income statement generated at a GL category level, here you can see your revenue, your cost of sales, distribution cost, all defined at a GL category code level as opposed to account level. So row sets just allow users to define the very customized rows based on those rules, and the row set is reusable across all your layouts that you set up in the layout generator. The next video in the series shows how you can use the layout generator to run and design your own report layouts.